Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Oxford Leaders, an initiative under Thoughts on Education by collegemail.com. Today we have with us Ms. Madhu Amodia, the Head of Faculty at Ecole Intuit Lab, Kolkata. Welcome to the show, ma'am.
Hello Aditya, it's really nice meeting you.
So, a brief introduction about today's speaker. Ms. Madhu Agarwal Amodia is currently the Head of Faculty at Ecole Intuit Lab, Kolkata. She has over 20 years of experience in the fields of advertising and branding and has completed her education from the London College of Communication. She has taught design at some of India's finest design schools such as ISDI, Pearl Academy and Ecole Intuit Lab. She loves working with students and evolving their design sensibility. She has created and designed communication for a variety of brands, including public service campaigns, and enjoys working with communication design in the social sector. Her strengths in branding and typography has resulted in an interesting spectrum of work. Her work art was displayed in the V&A Museum during the London Design Festival 2013. Some brands Ms. Madhu Amodia has worked in the past are Foster's, CNBC, Telegraph, Anando Bazar Patrika, Air India, Mondelez, TIS, and Point of View and Munjo Resorts. Welcome to the show, ma'am.
Hello, thanks Aditya.
So beginning with the interview, my first question to you is, you have held key positions at education institutes throughout your professional career. May we know what kept you connected with the education sector, and could you please share your experience with the Ecole Intuit Lab?
I have been interacting with reputed design institutes in Mumbai as a visiting faculty from last 10 years. I've been teaching at Ecole Intuit Lab from last decade and joined as a head of faculty in 2020. My passion for learning and education keeps me connected with this education sector. I've always admired the culture and pedagogy at Ecole Intuit Lab. Here, my experience has been truly enriching.
Okay, ma'am. So this brings me to the next question. So, being the dean here at Ecole Intuit Lab, Kolkata, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
As a head of faculty and mentor, my foremost responsibility is always towards the students to ensure that the learning is seamless, integrated and profound across all campuses, including Kolkata. I needed to understand the core, and this is what I translated in the Kolkata campus. The students get immense learning through the faculty, professionals from the industry, and exposure in the industry in forms of internship. And last but not the least, we celebrate their individuality and help them cultivate their own strong personal voice.
Okay, ma'am. So now this brings me to the next question. Do you have any extracurricular activities or programs in the Kolkata campus which enhances the skills of the students, or rather expose them to real world challenges?
We participate in hackathons. We have voluntary programs. We do team building sports like soccer and table tennis. We take part in mural painting. We do a lot of these activities which are cultural in context, and it also helps in team building. This will eventually help students in developing the interpersonal skills, community building and cultural connect. These skills will go a long way to help them as individuals as well as team players and face the challenge of the real world.
Okay, ma'am. Very well articulated. So my next question to you is, how do you try to bring in a practical approach towards the subjects and make it industry oriented for the students?
Our curriculum emphasizes more on practical studio classes and not theory as much. As a result, student is learning more effectively through the process. We have industry professionals conducting the session, so the learning is again more current and relevant. We also have internships as an integral part of a program, which is always with the relevant design industry. These factors make our students ready for the industry.
Okay, ma'am. So my next question to you is, how do you help your students to cope up with the way competition is so high in the outside world?
This is a big one, so to say. They are prepared to perform in the industry from the day they join. We have professionals teaching them. We have internships to make them aware of the industry functioning from second year. They participate in live brief assignments where the real client come to the campus and students perform under a fixed timeline. These students also take part in international design workshop. The exposure is so immense that to adapt and thrive in an industry is not an issue for them. In fact, they grow exceptionally well in the industries they join.
Okay, ma'am. So this brings me to the next question. How does Ecole Intuit Lab Kolkata campus enhances the skills of the faculties and prepares them according to the industry standards to train the students well?
First of all, the faculties we have are mostly professionals and they have their own inherent strength and passion. When that meets our pedagogy and global standards, the result is exceptional performance of the students. So we do let our faculties bring in their own spirit and vision to our program, along with some of the global standards we have set for our program.
Okay, ma'am. So my next question to you is, what would you like our audience to know more about Ecole Intuit Lab, both Mumbai and Kolkata campus, which they may not know?
Oh, we are a French Institute of Design and we prepare you for the future. We also make sure you become a part of the global world, which is really, really important and relevant today.
Okay, ma'am. So my next question to you is, what do you see as the greatest strengths of Ecole Intuit Lab?
We emphasize on professionalism, exposure for the students, expertise in whichever industry they join, and make them a part of the global culture. These are some of the core things we emphasize on. Also, we have an extremely dynamic and progressive curriculum.
Okay, ma'am. So my last question to you for the day is, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students, ma'am?
I would really ask any of all of you, for any institute you choose to join, you have to make sure that they have a curriculum which will prepare you for the future, and it should also make you a part of the global world, because the world has become a really small place now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much for this session. It was quite insightful.
Thank you, Aditya.